Alright everyone, we are here at the Wow Car Wash here in Las Vegas, and I'm going to pause until we are heading in, so I will see you guys in just a second. Okay, here we go.
I like this long lead-in before the bay.
I like that.
Yeah, it's good for getting yourself lined up.
Yeah. We will wow it.
Am I good? Okay, he's not going to point me, I guess.
Come forward more.
I know. Sorry. Okay, am I done? Okay.
We're getting the wow. Oh, come on, camera, focus. There, thank you.
He did not offer me a wipe.
How dare he?
He offered the person in front of us a wipe. So rude.
Plenty of brushing. There's a rave in here.
There's a what?
Rave.
Oh. Oh, I like how it's reclaiming the water.
Yeah.
And there's clean water.
This is a really cool car wash.
Mm-hmm.
So, what did you think of the Wow Car Wash?
Well, I actually am really pleasantly surprised. I would say 9 out of 10. Or
I
10
agree.
out of 10. One of the two.
I would say 9 out of 10.
Alright.
So, yeah, that is the Wow Car Wash.
I just have to point out really quickly for anyone who's a car wash owner, your employees matter. That man not being able to guide me or give me any direction, it affected my experience. Yeah, if he could have just given me a thumbs up to tell me I was in line, that would have helped a lot. Small thing, but when you care about your car, it matters.
Yeah.
So yeah, 9 out of 10. Good job.
So yeah, that is the Wow Car Wash in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'd recommend if you're in the area. Thank you guys for watching, and happy washing.